Good morning. So right now we're gonna prep breakfast and woke up like this.
My hair, I'm sorry.
Yeah, let's prep breakfast. The vlog and making breakfast. Daddy's there. So we're done eating breakfast and we don't really vlog because we have an appointment at 11 today. So it's 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock something now. And I'm just gonna quickly shower and get ready for the day. Get it. Try it on. Try it on. Try it on. Try it on. No, the green one.
Ayoko yan.
Try it on.
Picture me.
Where? Mas bagay. No, it looks like it's for girls. No. Lol.
GPS. Lobat na to. Ito na lang.
Looks so bad. Sulit lang yun.
You can't move. Where are we going?
Ay, nag-broken.
Where are we going?
Stop, I don't know.
In 5 kilometers, exit left onto Terwilliger Drive.
Yeah, so we're done at the mall. Yeah.
Hero yun kasi ang pumunti nila dito.
Sabi neutral ko lang daw.
You're supposed
Sabay tuloy kayo.
Buksan ko kaya yung bintana niyo. Testing natin ha.
Dad!
Testing lang ha.
Sabay kayo tuloy.
Iniwan mo na nga si Mami eh. I don't know.
Check.
Yung outside.
Sabay. Ano yan? Buksan natin buds.
May ilaw.
Babalik yan, babalik.
Hindi bumalik.
Kaya ayoko na dito
After car wash, the thingies are still there. Yeah. So we we are at Starbucks to look for the vendor series. Oh, they only have the. Let's go look over there. Alright, so she said that I have to vlog, that way I can get anything I want. And I'm gonna get like 5 cake pops and a drink. They don't have it here.
Which drink do you want?
Can I get the strawberry acai?
The frozen?
No, they said it's not good.
It's not.
Guys, we're now back at the Airbnb because today was a long day and we're just gonna be, what are we gonna do, cook? I don't know. I don't think we're gonna cook, but mostly eat desserts now. Because so it's a very tiring day. Yeah, it's just that we were not able, or we can't film what we did in the morning, but we had some appointments. We went to West End for like half of the day. Yeah. And it was very tiring because we just walked around the mall like 5 times then. Yeah. But yeah, so we're all just currently resting. They're over there. It's kind of loud here. Mom, say hi.
I saw this one here.
Say hi.
Hi, I'm just so tired right now.
So yeah, say bye.
This is not what we bought.
Ang kuta, no? Biglang nag-arty-artyhan na nagsan... Ang kuta, no? Biglang nag-arty-artyhan na nagsan... Ah, ah. Miss mo na, Ate Badge mo. Ulo niya.
I've been craving for Castella's tiramisu for a long time now, and thank God they have one in Edmonton. Hindi. Wala siyang bouquet. Oo nga, may kutsili dun sa other side. My cravings. Bilis, bilis, bilis. Tagal?
Yan, actually lang araw na siya nagkikrave na. Eh, wala kami mahanap sa Winnipeg. Ano? Ang soft na. Sarap na.
Hey guys, time check, 12 midnight local time, and I decided to do my hair so that tomorrow I don't have to fix my hair, just get ready for the day. And yeah, we're going somewhere tomorrow. It's 3.5 hours drive from the Airbnb. It's somewhere that we haven't been before, so the many times that we are here in Alberta, we haven't been to that place. So yeah, we'll check it out tomorrow. And so hair is done, and took me 40 minutes, so it's almost 1. I'm heading off to bed, and yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and we will see you on to the next one. Peace.